disappear. What I put my heart on every cursive letter. Tell me why the hell no one is here. Tell me what to do.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is find a couple of images that you like from Google, and I found this one. And for example, I used Pages since I have the MacBook Pro, but go ahead and use any program that allows you to print out pictures. These are the transfer sheets that I bought from Michael's, and I got 10 pieces for $17. And when you print out the pictures onto the transfer sheets, make sure that you have it on the matte side and not the glossy side, because when you actually go to iron onto the shirt, it will not stick unless you did print it out on the matte side. These transfer sheets are actually really easy to use. Honestly, just follow the directions that they give you inside the packet and it'll be really easy to figure out.
When you started talking in your sleep, saying the things you do to me.
Now that you've printed out the images that you would like on your shirt, go ahead and cut it out, and then after, place the picture face up onto your shirt and grab your iron and make sure it is on the cotton setting. After that, go ahead and apply the iron onto the shirt and the image and place it on there until the image sticks onto your shirt. This is shirt number 1 and it is Chanel inspired, and I paired it with some sweats and my favorite Nikes for a sporty look. Now this is t-shirt number 2. It is very Tumblr-y and it is a unicorn, and I paired it with some high-waisted shorts and I wore them with my white Converse, and I actually really liked how this shirt came out. Now this last shirt is my absolute favorite. I love the alien image that I picked out, and I paired it with my black leggings and my black Nikes, and I tied it off with some French braids.
I threw you out, I didn't outgrow you.